Guys, I'm so worried. I'm worried because I checked in here at the store. In the car with tire. Like this. That I like too much. I will show you here. I like it too much to be able to record video for the channel. Look, I've already been because they said I was washing. Tire already cleaned. Wheel already cleaned, but I will show these this one. How are you? And the video will stay on time. Turn on the video and stay until the end so. Comies comes. Comies. Look at the emotion. Look at that beautiful thing. Look here who entered here today. This is too good to record video on the channel. This here is too good to show you. People, let's do this cleaning. With this little house hero. Separate for you here why. Warrior. Hello Max. And your companion. Let's do one cleaning here. Detailed here on this wheel. It's on op 7 in that wheel box. Let's see how it turns out. I will apply here into ways here. In fact, I will apply in one way, but I'll tell you how it can. Is apply in there too. Oh, in this case. I will do. Application. With the new ones here in the wheel box. Rim tire. Because here is the following. How it comes in the cloud. She will take longer. She will give an action. Most effective, right? So I'll do with Snowfion. But if you don't have, you get one sprayer. Here is one guarani you can also do here. Or punctual. It works too. If you don't have one guarani, one other type of sprayer. And it works too. Beauty as we go to the video. Let's do the decontamination. This wheel box. Of this tire. And this wheel. That she has to shine. Look, she's not shiny now. Show her she is not shining. But I like it that way. Because now she will shine in the garage. None we go there. And if you like the video, subscribes to the channel. Give that power to the channel. Pro channel grow. Is to develop and show more people who like. Of the same content that we like, right? That's clean car. Nice and fragrant. So that's it. Sign up so. Because we're going to go to the video and let this wheel Tenido. Okay, ready. Let's start the process here. I made the following here. I'm using Alumax. It's just added some water, right? So that it doesn't go completely pure. But I want him to do a nice cleaning. We made him more focused, saw people. If you are going to use in the sprayer of this guarani, you can use 1 for 5, 1 to 10, depending on the dirt. Because let's go. Let's see here if he has. Let's see what he can clean up. Only we apply. Beating a certain water. And let's see what he cleans, it's good. Guys, I'll let you act here. About 3 minutes right for him to do this chemical action. Then I'll hit some water, and let's see what he can clean. Is very likely. We also have to do the mechanical part. I will go and finish with Removex right. So stay there until the end for you to see step by step. So, you are doing it the right way. Cleaning of wheel boxes, tire and rim. Okay guys, because let's go. I exchanged here, I have already left here 3 minutes. Now I will beat Removex. Right, and let's see what he is. What does he do here cleaning? Okay guys, I neutralized here with Removex. I'm going to act here a little bit more, right? A little to minutes. And now I'm going to whip up some water for us to see. if he can do this cleaning here. Guys, I'll show you here. How was the state here? Right of wheel and wheel box. Or approaches here, Jessica. Oh, cleaned well, saw people. Oh, I can. I am seeing here. I don't know if you have the same perspective as me. Right, but did a cleaning. Pretty cool saw. It's very clean. That I usually do a situation like this. It's after I do the cleaning. Heavy. From a wheel box. Of a tire, of a wheel, right eye. I come with Removex when there is a more extreme situation. You can be using it too. Is Vemel. How the video is turned. For Alumax and Removex. I will do this decontamination right. Punctual, removed. So like this is one of the ways we use. There are others logical. I can even recording more videos. It is for the right wheel box decontamination channel. So let's go. I will do now here on time. To leave this wheel. 0 and then we. Apply protection here. Let's go. Okay, come on, let's apply it again here. Why? Guys, under no circumstances can you apply the product and already here. Because surely you will scratch the wheel. Mainly, she got like this, oh. Mainly, so like this. The right way is this. We apply the product. Let's act, removes, and applies. As I know there is no more land here, right? And we only come with the impregnations. Then I already come with Removex to remove here. Why? Mechanically. Okay guys, this detail is very important. Is not to apply. And already go now. Ready. I'm going to do one little detail here at the office. Here from, of the wheel norm. In this back. FOR for 4-4. Oh, it's good. What is it? People call only in the result. What did you find there? Look there, oh. Did not. A lot of work to do. Tava quite dirty. quite a lot. Contaminated nor, but there you go. It was very clean. Clean wheel. Decontaminated wheel boxes too. People, there are other forms. There are other products here we made with Alumax. Removed right. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like, join, subscribes to the channel. It's video every week, you saw right guys. And thank you very much. And let's go now to the next video worth.